Hello, everyone, and today we talk to you about the best tip in order to develop a new language. And the title is The Ability to Notice Certain Things in a New Language. The ability to notice, it means when you are studying a new language, for a long time, and perhaps as a self learner or studying at school, and you notice that you are not able to understand the language, then to acquire this ability, you need to stop studying by using the basic materials such the amount of books based on techniques and different instructions. And you must start consuming different contents, like, for example, watch movies on YouTube in different language, especially in English. If you are studying English right now, listen to the radio station in English, or perhaps watch movies in English in or in other language that you are studying now. And if you are able to follow the contents in English and understand maybe 80% of the content, then you are getting ready to increase your levels in other language because now you are training and studying different. This step allow you to run into the next level in order to improve the language. I like to call this system the ability to notice the language. It's very important to develop this process because it will open your mind and allow you understand the language. So there are many learners that spend a lot of time trying to develop this ability, but they have no success to run into the next levels because they cannot develop the ability to notice certain things in a language learning. Then, if you are studying English now, you know, or other language for a long time, you don't need to study the grammar rules, but the first step that you need to develop is the ability to notice the language. With my experience in learning language, especially English as a self-learn, I think it is very important. I discovered that when I was studying English as self-learning, and I realized that when I didn't have to study the grammar rules, but I had to work my ability to notice the language based on spoken language. The spoken language include movies, radio station, intervals, news, music, among other terms that I had helped me a lot. No matter if I understood the spoken language, I listened to the language so many times, and this technique helped me to understand the spoken language. However, if you are starting to study a language at the beginning stage, of course, you will not understand or notice the language using the moves, radio station, or something like that. But if you are start studying through the right techniques and you want to achieve the ability to notice the language, I think over 3 or 4 months you will be able to understand the language quite clear and according to your level based on language learning, based on spoken language. So I decided to make this video because I study several languages as self-learning, and some of them I use this technique in order to run my levels. The ability to notice certain things in a language is the best manner to study and provide you the best understanding of the language. Thanks a lot. I hope this tip help you in your process of learning the language.